Look no further than the 2022 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This crisply styled Range Rover Evoque delivers solid versatility, lively performance, and tasteful design. Be prepared to relax and enjoy every journey in modern luxury, underpinned by engineering excellence in this inspired subcompact SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, power passenger seat, fog lamps, heated mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system, Bluetooth connection, dual zone AC, power driver seat, heated front seat, stability control. Substance meets tasteful style in this upscale Range Rover Evoque. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.